On this special occasion celebrating women around the world, I felt truly grateful to share a small piece of Vietnam's culinary heritage and to spend such an inspiring time with this wonderful community of women in Washington, D.C.
To celebrate International Women's Day. So today I was able to show the spouses how to make bún riêu cháy, which is a vegetarian crab meat noodle soup, and gỏi gà xé phay is a shredded chicken salad, but it's all vegan.
I'm a founder of Hana Gourmet, and I'm so happy. Let's say, Happy International Women's Day. I'm gonna show the two. The one is appetizer. It's a shredded vermicelli soup. So let's the show begin. Oyster mushroom, and you slide it like this. And how do you make it yellow? And you put everything in here. You crush the lemongrass and then cut it into pieces. And you can just break it into pieces. But since I already prepped, I kind of cheated a little bit because I already do all the prep. And we're gonna let it steam, but because the tofu skin it's already, so I'm just doing just a quick introduction and demo. And since we are like 200 people, then it's probably save you some cost just to make your own vegetable soup to boil. Me, because I'm too busy, I don't have time. I don't have time to do the whole process, so I cheated. I just go in and buy the unsweetened soy milk, and then of course. Okay, so I'm gonna use and so you just a little bit, maybe about 1 teaspoon in here, because you're gonna after your broth, you're gonna taste it again. So.
All vegan, 100%.
100 vegan. So today we're eating vegan. I'm not saying
turmeric, and or you can also use oyster mushroom. So here, when you shred it out, it look like you. So now you were imitating, and then with the mushroom, it's a chewy too. It's chewy, just like you eat dog meat. Yeah. But that's how I can describe, because I'm trying to promote people eating vegetarian and vegetarian. Yeah, my kids too. So I have to kind of just give them a description and give for all of our month, and so I have to stick up with the traditional. Yeah.
A heartfelt thank you to the Asean spouse circle in Washington, D.C., and everyone who joined us, shared in our culture, and made this gathering so deeply meaningful. Your warmth energy and shared stories make the events unforgettable.